how to create a computer-aided design software. Today we're going to talk about it. I'm first time talking about it, and let's do this. I was thinking about it. I was doing writing, I was doing coding, I was doing it in JavaScript, in C++, in C#, in PHP, in R, in different frameworks like Laravel, Ruby on Rails, and others. And let's do this right now. Do some of the creating of the variables and also creating of the process and algorithms. First of all, need to determine what will be the purpose of our computer-aided design. Maybe it will be the project creating, like drafting. For example, it will be the draft of this trolley bus, yes, of Russian trolley bus, and it will be the side view, it will be the front view, it will be the top view, it will be from the left side view, it will be from the right side view, and from different sides of view. Also watching through the from different projections of this, and also from the 3D form we can watch to this too. We can create ellipses, we can create different circles and lines, and oh Jesus, it is going. And actually we will stop because I'm going to my place, but we will continue it. It is actually JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, UI, PHP, and this channel I'm improving my skills, I'm practicing my skills, and variables and C++, C#, variables and arrays and lists and other features. Let's create them together. Thank you. What? Same thing. Draw, lines, curvatures, rectangles, rect mode, line mode, color mode, HSB, HSL, HCL. Also, it could be the RGB, RGBA. Have a wonderful day. Bye.